Guys, please welcome our special guest. कैसा बाबा? हाय तो बोल.
Hello. Hi. Thank you for having me on stage.
अभी सॉरी बोल.
अभी बोल दिया.
This is okay. I'll tell you what. This is in our minds. This is not a show. This is a conversation. Okay. This is a house party.
But it's also a show.
Yeah.
Shoot कर रहे हैं. But a house party. Okay. So at a house party, you got to know people. So who wants to talk? Anybody? Come on, someone. Be brave. Let's. Hey! Give it up for her. Give it up for her. Yes.
Going first is always tough.
Lovely. Okay. What is your name?
Hi guys, I'm Pushpita.
Pushmita?
Pushpita.
Pushpita. And
Don't push Mata, push Pita. Sorry guys. It gets better.
I came to the June Markasam show
Huh.
and I talked to you guys.
Oh
Yeah,
shit,
it's cool,
अब मेरे को I remember her now and Varun ने same joke बोला था. Varun had said Pushmata and Pushpita.
One sec. Did he?
Yes.
Of course he did. Of course.
I remember you. और मैं बहुत हंसा था. उस टाइम मैं बहुत हंसा था. Yes. The same joke
yes.
you have only done.
It's a new show every time.
But it also shows Varun's ability
Yeah.
to retain information.
no, his mind is like railway tracks. कि वही है अभी ट्रेन इधर ही जाएगा. पुष्पिता पुष्मता. Let's go. अगला स्टॉप.
अभी next show में पुल पिता.
ये भी क्या है? ये भी क्या था?
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Markasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, माँ कसम ये सच है.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है. माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है. माँ कसम भाई चारा रहे भाईचारा. माँ कसम जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ.
Okay, now when I read this out, okay, when I read this particular sentence out, please think of one friend who you think would say this. Okay, I'm sure there is one person in your life who would say or do this kind of thing. Okay, this person just wrote this sentence in. It's a brand new sentence in the universe. Friend called at midnight and said, "नंगा सोकर देख मजा आएगा."
Icon. Legendary. Icon. Megastar
Best.
Rajnikant.
I don't think a friend has given better advice.
Yeah. No, and also the thought of
मेरे को
उसने वो
दोस्त
एक्सपीरियंस किया है जस्ट. और करते करते उसको याद आया कि मेरे को मेरे 16 लौंडों को फोन करके 1 by 1 यही फीलिंग दिलवानी है कि सुन कल रात को मैं नंगा सोया. बहुत मजा आया.
But what a considerate thought. Like,
Yeah.
I just feel what a guy.
कल रात नहीं वो अभी
अभी.
नंगा है. अभी
उसने-
नंगा सोकर देख मजा आएगा.
I identify.
Yeah.
Identify
With what? The collar
as
or the
naked.
collie?
With the collar.
What is the most randomest thing you ever called your friend and said?
AIDS below.
He had that ready.
No, I'm just saying like randomly whatever. I full anything happens in my brain. It's
Correct,
not
correct.
We are aware.
like I don't know coherently to set up a sentence is tough.
I do feel like this is also a revelation of depth of friendship. Because only like you need to have a certain depth, certain bond before you can call. अच्छा तू बस किसी को भी
Really not.
डायरेक्टरी से उठा के
One
हेलो.
sec. One sec. The amount of one sec. Okay, sorry. So I'll just take you back to my childhood. Okay. So let's go back.
Long time ago.
Yeah.
फोन करते तभी फोन करके बोल ही नहीं सकते थे. तेरे को दरवाजे पे आके बोले "हे नंगा सो के देख." बहुत मजा आएगा.
But I'm saying we used to do this shit now, which we used to see. Like
What-
you would
what
call
used
on a landline on a random number. You'd just dial 6 digits or 7 digits. You just whoever picked up, you'd be like, "आपके घर पे पानी आ रहा है?" And you'd be like, "अच्छा है." रख देने का. ऐसे सब गांडूगिरी करता था. आपका फ्रिज चल रहा है, पकड़ लो, भाग जाएगा. All this we used to. What? 1 minute. Wait. What?
Best.
I agree.
Best.
I'm like, what?
आपका फ्रिज चल रहा है पकड़ लो भाग जाएगा.
हाँ पर ये तो होता था ना. टैक्सी ड्राइवर को बोलो "ए चेंबूर चलोगे?" हाँ तो जाओ.
No, it's चेंबूर जाओगे.
जाओगे.
Then he'll say, you've never, what, really?
I have never called somebody and said, आपका fridge चल रहा है पकड़
अरे
लो."
आपके नल में पानी आ रहा है तो आपको क्या लगा थम्स अप
हम
आएगा?
लोग
ये
के लिए
सब है जोक्स.
So this story is from my college days when I was in my second year, and I've done BMM. So that means
Yeah.
so that means we make a lot of short films and whatever.
Make a lot of shots.
Yeah.
That is the aptest description of BMM.
Yeah.
Any other BMM folks do we have here? Yeah, a few, right? Okay, so for those of you who've not done BMM, it is
Bachelors in mass media,
and
where you can major in journalism or advertising. I do advertising.
and what is the syllabus? Make short films or whatever. Okay, so you did BMM.
Yes. So
भाई लेकिन टेक्निकली सबसे ज़्यादा फिक्शन तो जर्नलिस्ट ही लिख रहे हैं ना आजकल. They need to come up with.
Akshita, any?
ऐसे देख रहे से हाँ.
no. So I work in a newspaper. It's much chiller there. We are not like yelling.
Oh, तो एक
all
दिन
the
बाद
time.
झूठ बोलता है.
Yeah.
There,
Yeah, so we had to make a short film in which our short film was like a 10-minute, like it was just one scene type thing.
one
But-
scene for 10 minutes.
No.
Like one long scene.
Yeah, it was supposed to be one location. That's
Got
all.
it, got it.
But we couldn't find. We needed one long dining table. We couldn't find one anywhere, and I'm from Xavier's, so we.
Usually people from Xavier say that first.
Yeah.
I'm from Xavier's. My name's Aryan.
But she still mentioned it. There was no reason to say
I'll tell
Xavier's,
you why,
right?
because
I'll
location
copy.
is important.
Location,
So we are at college only, and a friend of ours just comes to us, and she's like, "My father is in this like renting out spaces business, so you go." Like she gave us a number, and she was like, "Talk to this guy, he'll sort it for you." So we called the guy. His name was Stephen, and Stephen was like, "I am not going to give you a quote, any image, nothing. Just come here." We were like, "Where to come?" So he's like, "Are."
Okay. RA colony is this. बताओ ना. RA colony.
For those not from Mumbai,
The soundtrack to Aryan.
Colony. Our colony is a colony.
It's like a jungle, deserted area. Yeah.
RA, for those of you who are not from Mumbai, is this? It's in the middle of a national park.
Yeah, it's a heavily forested area, right? Correct.
Yeah, so it's very difficult to get there also, and we get this call at around like 5 in the evening. So it's already getting dark. We're a little scared to go there also, but we were very desperate. So we were like, also we were the only like all women group in our college, so we were very scared to just all girls go to RA at night. Anyway, so.
So
Yeah,
what time is this?
So we got the call around 5. We knew we'll reach by like 7-ish. And it was even a struggle to get there. We took a train. Half of us missed the train. Then we got on a different train. Whatever. It was in the middle of nowhere. It was this group of 5 girls going. So whatever. So then we reached there and it's at a hilltop. Like, uske aage kuch hai hi nahi.
How did you get there now?
So once we got off the train, we took an auto, and
Acha.
once we reached, also we knew that we will not find an auto back because the road ends. There is nothing there. So we just asked our auto guy, ki, please stop here and wait for us. Me and my roommate who's sitting here, we had gone together.
Oh, you're also here. ठीक है. You got witness also.
Yeah.
ये माँ कसम सच है ये. हाँ.
What is roommate's name?
Her name is Lakshita.
Akshita
Wait,
and Lakshita.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Akshita and Lakshita.
Yeah, and we are not related.
Wow.
Have you met Pushpita?
ये भी किया था तूने शायद last time.
Yeah.
So Akshita, Lakshita, and
3 other people.
what are their names?
Pushmita, Sushmita. I'm pretty Zinta for some reason.
Their names were Padmaja, Kehkasha.
No. What?
I feel you should have closed
सच
with...
बता.
Such.
Sach Bata was the fifth one.
नहीं फिर माँ कसम का माँ कसम.
माँ कसम.
That was actually their name.
And who's the fifth one?
Dipti. She was same.
Oh,
I
Preeti. I was
really
close to
feel
Preeti.
you should have closed with Kehkasha.
हाँ.
Guys, this is the first line of her story.
Yeah.
Please.
So it's a massive building and it looks exactly like that burnt set from Om Shanti Om.
Oh shit.
Okay, so it's very scary looking already, and at this point almost andhera ho hi gaya hai. We go in and so we go into the reception, but Lakshita has decided that she wants to explore this. So she's the adventurous one in our group, and so she's gone everywhere. कि कहाँ shoot हो रहा है, क्या है, ये वो check करके आते हैं.
She's the first one who dies in the
Yeah.
movie.
She's the horror
मैं वहाँ
movie.
जाके आती हूँ. क्यों?
नहीं she's that girl in the horror movie where she's like, अरे guys कुछ नहीं होता, भूत है. Just gone straight.
But yeah, we were very desperate. Lakshita is going around and she's like, यहाँ तो कुछ अजीब सा ही हो रहा है. This is a very shady place because it was just broken. Like sets were there, but they were broken. And कोई भी नहीं था. We were like, ऐसी खाली location क्यों है? We go in and sit. Very like white, dim lights. It's massive lobby, but one woman is sitting at the reception, and there's an ice cream stall in front of it.
सवाल.
मैं शैलजा.
अबे अमी मांजोली का होगा ना.
अरे but
So
राइमिंग चल रहा है.
Sorry.
yeah, half the group is really scared कि हम कहाँ आ गए. Half is eating ice cream. And
ये आइसक्रीम है.
yeah, so and we go to the receptionist. We ask her कि we're here to meet someone named Stephen, and she's like, go inside. He's in the office. We go in the office.
वो ऐसे बोल रही है.
I think the receptionist was the only sane lady there. Everyone else was. Anyway, we go into the office. Stephen is very tiny, like he's still here. And he is, like he's sitting, so.
You want to be sitting and be this high or what? That would be odd.
What a way to describe somebody sitting.
This,
He was this high.
Because he was
He
sitting.
was this high. He was sleeping. How tall is he? He's only 5 inches. Because he was sleeping. I measured only that much. I didn't think what would happen if he would get up.
So then what happened? So
yeah.
he rises
this
from.
becomes relevant later. Anyway, so he's very, and he's surrounded by papers, पूरा दीवार ऊपर तक. And he's just sitting ऐसे, हाँ क्या चाहिए, क्या हो गया? And I tell him कि I called you, आपने बोला था आप room दिखाओगे. And he was like, बाहर बैठो मैं आता हूँ. We go outside and we get very frustrated. सोए वही नहीं है, सब irritate हो गए हैं. And the receptionist बैठी थी और वहाँ hotel का corridor था, like you know where the hotel rooms are. And we keep seeing like this like older man, younger woman keep coming out. So we figure at this point at least Oyo तो है ही. कि
Okay.
At least Oyo तो है ही.
But that's the thing. You came for direction. They were already having action.
yeah.
Good. Thank you.
Yeah, and they keep coming out and we're like कुछ तो shady हो रहा है.
We're coming in ना.
Post.
अच्छा.
Yeah. And everyone is getting scared कि भाई रात हो गई है अभी हम कैसे जाएंगे. The Stephen guy comes. One of our friends gets very frustrated and she's like मैं Stephen से बात करने जा रही हूँ. And
He's like, hey Stephen, son.
So Dipti starts walking and she's going towards Stephen and just so happens Stephen also starts coming at that same point. So he was like, this is my guy, he will take you inside. So this guy starts taking us inside and he's really selling us on this place. कि बहुत मस्त है, आप कर लो यहाँ पे. And we had told Stephen.
At this point कुछ बोलने की भी जरूरत नहीं है.
Stephen had told us, I had told him very specifically, कि listen, we want a dining table. Like, we want a long empty room with a dining table. We went, we were like, bro, it was a dirty room, like stain लगे हुए हैं इधर उधर अजीब से.
अबे विमल. Yes.
We are like, कि we enter the room and immediately exit also कि ये तो हमको चाहिए ही नहीं था. Bye. And as we are leaving, the corridor में एक और एक hotel room का gate खुला हुआ है. So we just happened.
Gate meaning door.
The door.
Yeah, the door is open, and we just happened to see that there were like 4-5 men in that room, 2 of which were butt naked, standing there, and
And the
which,
third guy is going नंगा सो कर देख मजा आएगा.
which is when we immediately realized, without speaking to each other, that this is a porn set. And they are making porn here.
Bang, bang.
तो यू आर सेइंग कि एवरी रूम हैज अ शूट गोइंग. दिस इज आरए कॉलोनी का यशराज स्टूडियो है ये.
This is the Yashraj of porn,
या
where there is a 3-film deal.
But this is the real whistling wood.
And you are convinced that this was a porn shoot.
Why would there be 2 naked men?
I mean,
There's
was
many-
it
अरे भाई दिस
Wait,
One
Were
second.
there cameras?
There were just other people walking out also who were like,
Actually, yeah, if you see
having
two
sex, right?
naked
There could
people
be-
and you see other people around them, you're assuming they're shooting to chal rahi hai.
Why?
Why?
So there's just 3 people watching 2 people naked in a room. ये fucking कौन सा eyes wide shut चल रहा है?
अरे भाई.
और आरे कॉलोनी में.
अरे but why are you judging their fetish?
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है.
Yeah, or why fetish? Why are you judging their friendship?
Yeah.
He is proving to him कि नंगा देख सोएगा तो मजा आएगा.
So wait, the other 3 guys were doing what? But they were filming? No.
We didn't see much. Okay, as soon as
I
we
clearly you saw a lot.
enough, yeah.
as soon as we saw the butts, we were like, let's just run away.
So you've seen 2 butts,
Yes.
and you've seen 3 other men
Yeah.
of some variety
Yeah. Who were dressed?
who were
If you
dressed.
saw 2 birds, where were the 3 men?
उसके
Other 3 men.
No, where were they? Where?
So we only had like itna sa view of the room. So we could only see
Ah.
thoda sa. We didn't see everything. We just assumed. ki-
Yes, yes.
And I think our assumption was right also.
Because suddenly they heard cut. ये आवाज कौन कर रहा है बाहर?
And then we just started running away. And we are running. And then Stephen is outside only. And he's like, madam, what? And we're like, no. Bye.
Wait, so you said that you were told about this place by a friend's dad?
He was in the business of renting out places.
Was it just that?
Is your friend's dad Stephen?
No. Stephen was the manager of the place.
Is your friend's dad one of the naked guys?
अरे शर्मा जी.
He's the producer of the film that has the naked guys.
Oh.
Yeah. He's the one renting out the space, I think.
Good lord. Then?
We never told our friend like this happened.
Until now,
This
when
was
she watches
sabotage.
this.
This was sabotage.
I don't think she knows what her dad does.
Well, now you do.
That's what I'm saying.
We'll forward the comment to you. Actually, my dad, no? Huh.
Yeah, and then we left the place. We came out, and thankfully, we had asked our auto guy to like please stay. So,
He's still there.
yeah, we told him because we knew we will not get anything else.
So 5 girls, 1 auto rickshaw. Yeah.
तो क्या ऑटो रिक्शा क्या ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ है क्या
मेरे
ऑटो
को क्या
वाला?
मालूम, उसने बोला ना कि 2 रिक्शा में आया था, एक को रहने दिया जाए.
there was,
चला रही भी है रिक्शा तेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Okay.
there was another rickshaw there as well, and
Oh.
we thought कि चलो अभी इससे पूछ के आते हैं कि please बाकी लड़कियों को छोड़ दो. We go there. There is red light लगी हुई वहाँ पे. There is no auto वाला inside, but there is like a couple sitting पीछे. We are like भाई
Oh
बाहर भी.
shit. ये क्या outdoor experience?
That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at thismakasam@gmail.com.